In fact, the man Ofori Atta crowd one crash, or that's what as we speak now. I'm surprised.
How many times haven't we called?
No, I'm saying that Ubakana. He has been one person continuously. I think that there was a problem in this country in terms of how the management of this country is going on. Can't be running away from Kenya. In fact, they have fair yes, resign. Now, because we have a president as we speak. As we speak, Adwa Safo is still at post. And because you were Mampayin Yabi or no, oh, friend, the Prime Minister on Chas about to walk up back to us.
There's a tweet.
No, the man can't tweet. We see. Before the tweets, we had an independent mind to talk.
No, but
I'm saying that whether tweet or no tweet, as we speak now, the president should sack the finance minister or the finance minister should resign. And a big deal.
Last week we could boss her. But
you're a journalist, you're a public officer. So I didn't carry. Please. Now, for finance minister, to the extent that even as of the time, no. You take a decision to go to IMF. He was not even a part of the meeting. Deputy to Bianco. This is the finance minister we're dealing with. Who calls?
He was not part of the meeting.
And does the bluff even of the president? What is this? This is the finance minister we are dealing with. Who just until recently, and I'm baby a catcher say IMF over my dead body. This is the finance
minister. We are a sovereign nation.
This is the finance who is still at post. This is the finance minister. And I'm IMF in paying for baby free Ghana. Koma resign. The style of the Jumano is the most wisest and sensible finance minister in this. Now, President Kwame double endorsement. This is a finance minister. Omoko EMT Crown Kobi. Almost part of the cabinet. When you break like message allow. The Ekoswano. And you Tim Mind Yebu how. The Ekoswan and you Tim Sam Yebe how. It's not to infer that Ofori Atta, but you don't know what is really happening in this country. Who are your prime minister? Who are your cabinet member? No one out to walk up parks. Why? No go so church room. Second is equal when because about 1 hour 44
treaty.
But who told you that? Who told you that is the wish of the NDC? Say Ghana and go from say try and say no one will take you over. Say even if Ghana is or accept the NDC.
Yeah,
that's not the reality.
Yeah,
the reality is that they've been untruthful to us, especially under this finance minister. They've deceived a lot of us, especially under this finance minister. It's unfortunate. So no say nya kukudo krasa atina say amadiachi. Very unfortunate. It's not a matter of white and Bible quotations. He better go to the church or honorable as full-time pastor. Honorable as a full-time pastor. Because finance minister, every 3 seconds, quotation. Did you listen to the Pentecost chairman? Did you listen to the Pentecost chairman? And yet on this matter, but generality of Ghana, the kind of people we need to come and lead us. We wake up today 3 seconds to even put your information minister, the president, the finance minister. Almost everybody is talking about IMF over our dead body. So what happened? You are coming to explain to me the circumstances that is taking Ghana to IMF. You cannot explain the same when the NDC was going to the IMF. They should better shut up. The more they attempt to explain, the more they get some of us extremely angry.
Yeah.
I think at this point, so finance minister resign. The president should do the usual. My friends, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ghanaians. The president should do the usual fellow
address the nation.
Address us that where we've gotten to. It's not healthy for us.
You think he should apologize to Ghanaians?
Well, it's not even a matter of apology. The president should speak to us. The president should speak to us. Because if we don't get to that point where Yebe will say, Obi Kataya, so we have a leader. Now, I just say free for all. The Obia pen Obia ya. And I still don't know why this Ofori Atta is still Ghana's finance minister. I don't know.